Hey Visioneers, welcome back to Augusta Vision, where we turn your wildest tech dreams into creative reality. Today I'm showing you how to create a stunning viral-worthy travel video using just a sentence, yes, only text, all with Google Veo 3. Whether you're a content creator, digital nomad, or aspiring filmmaker, this tool will change the game for how you tell stories. No fancy gear, no editing skills, just your words and some AI magic. Before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tools, tutorials, and creative hacks. Step 1. What is Google Veo 3? Let's start with the magic behind the curtain. What exactly is Google Veo 3? Google Veo 3 is Google's most advanced AI video generation model created by DeepMind, the same team behind innovations like AlphaGo and Gemini. Veo 3 isn't just your typical AI video tool. It's a cinematic storyteller in your pocket. It takes your written text and transforms it into stunning high-definition video content that feels like it was shot by a professional film crew. Here's what makes Veo 3 revolutionary. 1. Cinematic level quality. Veo 3 understands film language, from camera angles and panning shots to mood, lighting, and natural movement. This means the videos don't look stiff or robotic. They feel organic, like scenes from a high-end travel documentary or commercial. Imagine this. You type a peaceful aerial view of Mount Fuji at sunrise with soft clouds drifting by, and Veo generates exactly that, with dramatic lighting, cinematic camera motion, and even audio that matches the mood. 2. Text to video in seconds. No need for stock footage, no need for a camera. Just type your idea and Veo 3 does the rest. It's built to interpret natural language, so even if you're not a filmmaker, you can still bring your vision to life. 3rd, audio generation. Here's a cool bonus. Veo 3 can also generate ambient sound and experimental audio that aligns with your scene. So if you describe waves crashing or birds chirping, Veo can match that with realistic soundscapes, giving your videos extra immersion without needing to add external music or effects. 4. Great for creators and educators. Whether you're a travel blogger, YouTube Shorts, creator.educator making explainer videos, business owner crafting ads, Veo 3 helps you create attention-grabbing visual stories with minimal effort. So if you've ever felt limited by editing skills, expensive equipment, or just not wanting to show your face on camera, Veo 3 is your new creative best friend. Coming up next, I'll show you how to access Veo 3 completely free for your first month. Let's go. Step 2. How to access Google Veo 3. 1. Go to gemini.google.com/subscriptions. Choose the Google AI Pro plan, usually includes a free trial. 2. Add payment details. It won't charge immediately. Once enrolled, you'll see a Pro badge. This step unlocks your access to powerful tools like Gemini Advanced and Veo 3, including audio generation and cinematic rendering. 3. Getting started with Google Flow. Go to Google Flow platform. Use Gemini or waitlist invite. This is where Veo 3 runs more advanced video rendering. You can start a new project, select render options, and write your prompts. Step 4. Writing effective travel prompts. Example prompts. A cinematic sunrise over the Sahara Desert with camel silhouettes and warm golden light. A traveler walking through the rice terraces of Bali under soft morning mist. A drone shot of a coastal train ride through Cinque Terre with waves crashing. Tips. Be specific. Include time of day, lighting, action, and tone. Use descriptive language, drone shot, soft glow, lush greenery. Try adding emotional or cinematic vibes like peaceful, adventurous, nostalgic. Step 5. Generating and downloading your video. Select highest quality with experimental audio. Click Generate. Rendering takes 1 to 3 minutes. Preview your video. Make prompt tweaks if needed. Once happy, click the download button. MP4 format. Add subtitles, text overlays, or music using CapCut, Premiere Pro, etc. Step 6. How to make it go viral. Optimization tips. Add music or voiceover for YouTube Shorts or Reels. Use emotional hooks in captions. Ever dreamed of this place? Include location-based hashtags in Santorini, Majaj I Travel, Majaj Veo 3. Use platform-native editing features for discoverability. Post to : YouTube Shorts. Instagram Reels, TikTok travel niche, Pinterest travel boards. And there you have it, a cinematic travel video made from pure imagination and text. With Google Veo 3, the only limit is your creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment with the location you want to bring to life next. And don't forget to tag me when you share your videos. I'd love to see your creations. Subscribe to Augusta Vision for more tech plus creativity tutorials every week. Until next time, keep imagining big and keep building boldly.